are you? I think it's a perfect day to have pets in our parking lot doing great tricks as we get ready to celebrate Woodstock, the winter edition this weekend. Marlene, we love our dogs, like I said, and we love our dogs that get to do really cool things, too.
Yeah, like these are quirky little things that dogs do. They're not like trained dogs that do this all the time, and that's what we like about it. Somehow these dogs, the owners have found that these dogs do these amazing or interesting things.
Great. Well, we're going to get right to it. So I'm going to introduce Melissa with Logan. And what is Logan going to do, Melissa?
He's going to do Say Your Prayers.
Say Your Prayers.
Okay.
All right, let's see
Before we do this, before we start, when did you discover this? Just started doing it?
Say Your Prayers?
Yeah,
it was about a year ago.
About a year ago?
All right.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Let's see.
I thought it'd be a cool trick.
Cool trick? Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Logan is very... Oh, my God. Yay, Logan! Very spiritual dog. We love that.
That's so quirky.
That's so cool. And a high five. Melissa, thank you.
All of a sudden, one day, it starts to
There you go. That's wonderful.